I'm going to throw that spark plug back in, and then I'll throw the valve cover back on, and we're going to, if you're new here, I'll show you my super secret trick to see if an engine will fire up. So we did verify that we have oil in the crankcase here on the sight glass. We put some WD-40 on the cams and then hit it with some oil, filled up the head with some oil, because apparently this thing's never been fired up from what I could tell. So here, all right, so like I said before, I have a super secret way to see if your engine is going to start or not, and that is right here, brake parts cleaner. So we'll spray this brake cleaner in the intake, and basically that's going to tell us if we have a carburation issue, or it's going to kind of narrow down where our problem is. If it does not start on this, then hey, we got a pretty big issue. So give it a little spray. Maybe that's actually kind of a big spray. Say a prayer. Let's see what happens here.